Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and also my humorous lecturer, Ma'am Sri Rahayu and Biomed. So today, I would like to present about how to maintain body's immunity during a pandemic. The purpose of this presentation is to persuade someone to maintain the body's immunity. But before I move on to the main topic, let me introduce myself first. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Desi, and my student ID number is 13086200029. So now, let's move on to the main topic. In this presentation, I will explain to you about pandemic history. Second, I will explain about initial symptoms. Then, I will explain to you why immune system is so important for us. And finally, you will know conclusion about this presentation. And at last, there will be question and answer in the end of my presentation. Okay, next, let me start with pandemic history. COVID is a contagious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, or we call it SARS-CoV-2. The first known case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The disease has since spread worldwide, leading to an ongoing pandemic. Symptoms of COVID-19 are variable, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illness. Common symptoms include headache, loss of smell and taste, nasal congestion, runny nose, cough, muscle pain, sore throat, fever, diarrhea, and also breathing difficulties. People with some infection may have different symptoms, and their symptoms may change over time. Three common clusters of symptoms have been identified. The first one, respiratory symptom cluster, with cough, chills, shortness of breath, and fever. The second one, a musculoskeletal symptom cluster with muscle, joint pain, headache, and also fatigue. And the third one, a cluster of digestive symptoms with abdominal pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. In people without prior ear, nose, and throat disorders, loss of taste combined with loss of smell is associated with COVID-19. As we know, the coronavirus has infected hundreds, even thousands of people around the world. Strengthening the immune system during this pandemic era is very important to ward off the transmission of this virus. Although coronavirus vaccine has been universally available, vaccine alone will not be enough to end the war against COVID-19. A vaccine will only complement the other tools such as wearing masks, social distancing, hand hygiene, and maintain the immune system healthy to stop the COVID-19 pandemic. Basically, the human body has its own immune system to fight viruses and bacteria that cause a disease. However, there are things that can weaken a person's immune system, including aging, malnutrition, disease, and even certain drugs. Therefore, the function of the immune system needs to be maintained so that the body's immune system can be strong. Strengthen the immune system can be done through: first, eat foods that contain protein and vitamins. Second, do exercise regularly. Third, lowering the stress level. Fourth, get enough rest. And last but not least, take immune supplement. So, it can be concluded that strengthening the immune system during this pandemic era is very important to ward off the transmission of this virus. Because of that, we need to wearing masks, social distancing, hand hygiene, and maintain the immune system healthy to stop the COVID-19 pandemic. And also, eat foods that contain proteins and vitamins, do exercise regularly, lowering the stress level, get enough rest, and take immune supplements. And finally, this is the end of my presentation. But before I close this presentation, is there any question? Okay, I will try to answer your question. Thanks for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and nice to meet you all.